I haven't had a video out for a bit, so I've got about 2 weeks worth of footage I'm going to put out. So, but before I do that, give you a little bit sneak preview of something that we've been doing. We've got some onions hung up to dry. I know they're not that big, but that's sort of a start. We're letting them dry out. And so don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and we'll catch you later on. Hi, it's Dave from Geordie Allotment. Today I'm doing an experiment because when I planted these in the ground I wasn't getting them plus with all this weed stuff. So I'm going to try and, I know it's late today, but I'm going to put them in, use some soil, put them in here, put them in there, put the lid on, use that active hope as a greenhouse to germinate them. So then I'll get little plugs. I've cleared the bed over there. It's been like that for a couple of days, so I'm not getting hardly any weeds through. And then we're going to eventually put them there. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So it's just a little bit of an experiment. So we'll video always maybe putting one lot in, and then into here, because it's stupid video in here is just sitting watching it on a video, putting loads of seedings in. So I'll fill this first lot up with I'll start filling this up with soil. Right, so I'm going to get some broccoli seeds. It's going to be hard because I want to really get a seed at a time if I can. Got out as a dipper. Don't want to go too.
Oh, you got it.
Huh?
Too soft.
Did you cheat a little of that? In the front, these seeds are so tiny. And then try and get it back in the bag. What I'll do is So that's it, I've put crap in there. I've put 2 rows of broccoli here, so I'm just going to carry on doing this, give it a water and put it in there. So I'll do some more film on when I'm down here on Monday. Dave down here at the allotment, just going to give you a bit of a tour and then show you what Dan's doing. Look at them tatty plants, they're getting up massive. Onions and coming. Got this bed of weed now. Freaking weeds are just terrible. No digging next year. There's a little bit of an experiment I'm doing, using this as a mini greenhouse and trying to grow some stuff to go in a bed over there. Another little experiment we're trying is Dan's going to fill these up with soil, and we're going to plant some, and we're going to put the parsnips in. So, you know, finding bits of wood and all that, and using them for different things. So, just little bits of experiments we're trying since we're new to this. So hopefully we'll do that. We'll plant some parsnips in, and hopefully they'll go down deep and we'll get a good row of parsnips. So as you can see, peas are growing there. My tomatoes, tomato plants are starting to grow well. I'm looking at, oh yep, there it is. Gooseberry bush, blackberry bush, another gooseberry bush along there, and strawberries there. So, as I say, up here you can see all that's still to be done. Hopefully Dan's mate's going to come with a strimmer soon, so we can get it trimmed down and I can put the weed killer down. That's the bed I've got cleared. It's been cleared for a few days and it's not too bad. Weeds aren't coming in. Next week we're going to clear that bed. The bottom's got leaks in, but the top's just full of weeds. And as I say, and there's my potatoes. They're just doing beautiful, them. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks, the 2 rows near the shed will be coming up, so we might get a good crop off them. And the other row and the 2 that are in the bin, they're late crops, so they'll get lifted later on.
Evening everyone. So we're down at the allotment today, as you can see my dad is trimming the back because we're getting a gate put at the back here, so we're just making cleared, make sure it's cleared for the workmen to work. I hope you can actually hear what I'm actually saying. But there we go. So I guess back to you and show you how far we're actually done.
Here again down at the allotment. Supposed to be at work today, but unfortunately things have happened, so I couldn't go to work, but I'm still getting paid. So I decided to come and spend the day at the allotment. We're clearing all this out because well, we're hoping that they were coming today to do the fence, but it looks like it's going to be tomorrow now. This is all going to get pulled out. We're going to get a new fence put in. So we're giving this area a good tidy up. I've got some strong weed killer. I'm going to put that down. I'm going to put a tarp over the top, move one of these tarps from the front, so the blokes have got plenty of room to work with. Then hopefully we'll get a skip and get rid of this rubbish. So I'll give you another tour later on before we go, so I can show you some more stuff that we've been doing. So bye for now. Hi, David here again from Geordie Allotments. Right, today we've been clearing this area, put that top down there to put rubbish on. that's where we're going to get with new fence. Hopefully it was going to be this week, but we've just been informed that the person that's doing it is down with COVID, so he's going to be out for probably 10 days. So that's going to probably be another fortnight before that gets done. We were hoping that by the weekend we're going to have a new gate on and new fence so we could come in any different way. So that's why we've spent a lot of time clearing all this back. Got that to clear back a bit. We'll come down here. There's my leeks, but it needs weeding in between them. This is going to be my brassica bed, but I've put the strawberries under there because they've been getting attacked off the birds. So there's my lettuces and beetroot. In here is me onions, carrots, more carrots under there just to protect. Come around here, that's potatoes, friggin' brilliant, we get loads of them. So moving up here, me experiment, it's working. That's me brassica stuff starting to grow. So hopefully I'm going to pot them on at the weekend and then leave them here for about another week, then hold them off and then start getting them in that bed. And that's for tomatoes, tomato plants, bush tomato plants. The peas growing up the bushes there, and in here is another experiment which nothing's grown yet, but there's parsnips in there, so see if they work. So there's a nice shot from the top end of a garden looking down onto a potato bed. So that's it for now. Please don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you at a later date. So bye for now.